with another video. Today, since we're in the hotel, and by the way, it's Easter today, I decided to do a hotel room tour. And if there's like noises and stuff, that's probably my mom, dad, or my sister. Especially my sister always talks in my videos, which is like so annoying. Here's a mirror, so you can see myself. And over here is our bathroom. And my dad is over here. He's doing something with hot water because, yeah, for my sister. And over here is the shower. It's like orange kind of color. It's like the sunshine. And if you don't have like all the soaps and stuff, we have shampoo, conditioner, and soap gel. I think I have it too, but yeah. It's really hard with it. So here are our beds. What I love about it is that it has these mirrors. They're really pretty. As you can see over there. Sorry for all the noises. My dad is making milk, I guess, or hot water. And it also has this brown background that looks so good with it. And green unders, like it represents kind of nature. Then here's our bed. It's very white. Like what all hotel room has, it has a white bed. And the same thing with the other side. The same print. What I love about it also is that it has this light made of wood. And over there is my sister talking. You say hello to the vlog. She's laughing. And over here, we have a phone. And an alarm clock. I definitely need this. I'm so happy this hotel has this alarm clock because I always wake up late. If you're asking me what are these are toys that my sister played with earlier. Donatina, a donut. Here I have the charger plugged, and there are the lights, like a reading light. There we go. And the lamp. Show you the lamp. And the cove light. That's like the whole room. The room light. Yeah, that part over there at the end is very dark now because of that light. And the reading light again. It's that one right there. And switch it off. My sisters keep on talking in the background. Something fell on the floor. A Hatchimal my sister played with earlier. We don't need a Hatchimal in the video, so yeah. Here, there's a bench with our luggage. And here's my sister's baby bag. This door leads to another room. Here we have a TV, a big TV, and mirrors. Over there, my sister's wearing a hat. Look! My sister! Something really awesome over here. It's just this like brown plain place. You can open the windows like here. Open the windows. Look at those. Those are so cool. But that's not it. You can also open it up like this. And guys, look, it even folds. Awesome! Do it also on the other side. Fold it. fold. Here is the outside view. That. Okay, fold it back again. Whoa. We're at the beach. This is so much fun. Oh no! The camera's following! Hey everyone, now I'm in the pool. Let's go! Now I'm with my dad and my sister Maya. Maya, say hi!
Hello everybody.
Maya, Maya. Oh no!